Hello, once again, welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is powered by ICE Adonis Concept. We are into software development, web design, programming, graphic designing, database. You can reach me on 0242327799 or 05504393 In this tutorial, we are going to learn some basic arithmetic with Excel. Okay, so we are going to look at how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide in Excel. So quickly, let me produce a sheet to help us do this. So let's say product A, product B, product C, D, E, and F. Okay, let me say unit price, unit price. I will be using as a teacher. I'll be using the tutorial to teach other things, so just follow. I would have prepared a table beforehand, but I want you to see me do it so that you can learn one or two things which we may not teach as a topic. Okay, so unit price, quantity. Let's say we are going to have totals of gross. Okay, then let's say we are going to give discounts. So discounts, and probably the net that the person is going to pay. Okay, so this is a table that shows something like an invoice. Okay, let's say this is ABC Enterprise. Okay, so I'm just giving you a preview as to what we'll be doing when we get to a designing stage. Let me merge and center. I've not done merge and center, so I just select all. I come to merge and center. It moves to the center. I can bold in. I can make it bigger. Okay, so you see the outline is coming out really well. Now the top. Okay, so let me introduce borders. Okay, so borders. So those of you who have forgotten your borders, I've introduced borders around it. Okay, now my headings. Let me bold in them. Let me bold in these two. I have. Okay, so I can now fill with values. Okay, unit price. Let's say this is 50. Let's say this is 20. Let's say this is 100. Let's say this is 56. Let's say this is 75. Let's say this is 112. Okay, now what is the currency sign? I haven't shown any currency. Okay, so I can select all. Then I right click. Then I come to format cells. Okay, format cells as open. Okay, so let me drag it to the center for you to see. Well, I come to custom. Okay, I clean this general. I do double quotes. I want to introduce Ghana city because Ghana city is not in their currency. Okay, so the city is alt 155. It should give us a city sign. You see it's come. So I close it. I do hash dot hash 0.00. Okay, so you see a template has shown here. A template has shown up here how it's going to look like. Okay, so from here I just do okay. Boom. You see the currency sign has changed. Okay, so I intentionally made a mistake in the formula, so I can come back and rectify. So this is just to tell you that whatever we are doing, it's not foolproof. Okay, it's not foolproof. So you can always come back and make your changes. This one off, this one off, this one off. Okay, so this is correct now, right? This is how I want it to appear. That's it. Okay, so what's the quantity we are buying? I input the quantity as well. 2114, 23, 52, 45. Okay, so we bought quantities now. Now, how do I get how much I'm paying for this? I have to multiply this and that. Okay, so that brings us to today's lesson, how do I multiply? Every formula in Excel begins with an equal to sign, so I can just click this. The asterisk represents times, and I just click this. When I enter, I have multiplied. Okay, now instead of repeating that formula for all of them, I can just come and use the autofill. Okay, here when the plus sign comes, I can just drag or just double click. So the formula has been transferred to all of them. So it's as simple as that. Now let's assume we are giving a discount of 10% on each. Okay, so once again I go to equal to then 10%, isn't it? So I type 10% times is asterisk times this. Okay, and then I just enter. My answer comes. I place it on it. I do autofill. I double click or I just drag. Okay, I get it there. Okay, now I want to compute the net, what the person will be paying. So what am I going to do? It's going to be what the person is supposed to pay minus the discount. Okay, so same thing, equal to sign this it, then minus is this, and then the discount. I just enter is there. I want to transfer the formula to all of them. I double click. Okay, so with this we have learned multiplication and we have learned subtraction. Let's look at addition. Okay, let's say I want to add the quantity, total quantity, but so I click here. This is why I want to enter. So I do equal to. I can do this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. What I have done is still called a formula. Okay, when I just enter, it will compute it. I can just repeat the autofill for all of them here, but I don't want to do that. I want to teach you another way of adding. Okay, so what is the total discount we have given? I can decide to use a function. Equal to function means I'm now going to say sum. I open brackets, click on the first one, I use semicolon, click on the last one. I am summing all of them. I enter, the sum is there. Okay. There's another way I can do it. Let me do it here with a net. I can use auto sum. I click here, I go to formulas. So this is formula, this is auto sum. I click on it, it produces the formula itself. I enter, and then that is all. So these are the simplest of calculations we can have in Excel: multiplication, addition, subtraction. I didn't do division. Okay, if you want to do division, it is okay. So let's say I am dividing my, okay, I'm looking for percentage discount I have given so far. So simple math will say we should do the discount over the gross times 100%. So let's say I am doing it here. Okay, so I do my equal to, I do my total discount. This is divided by is a slash. Okay, slash the total gross. I didn't do the total gross, so I would have done the total gross. Okay, so that is how it's going to look like. We use this for the division. Thank you very much for now. I want the video to be as short as possible. Okay, so I can just do this well. Okay, so wow, so to find the percentage discount that has been given, it's just this total over. So this is over, this is the total. Okay, then times 100%. Okay, I can just do my times 100%, 100, and that's 10% that I use to compute. Okay, so this is the tutorials for now. Thank you very much for watching. Keep practicing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.